you had a great start to 2021 and to NASSCOM Product Conclave on day one. And I think the rest of the conclave and the rest of the year should be really good for you with a lot of growth. Optimism is what I'm seeing and believing it is out there. What was very interesting in our plenary session today when Sridhar Vembu was talking was about building the core technology. And building the core technology was something uh, which we as a nation should be doing across the board for all the products that we buy. And one of the such areas where we got to do a lot of progress, I believe, is IoT hardware and devices. And this is the reason we think that this theme is very, very important. This is something which is going to go big time in the next decade or so. If you look at 10, 15, 20 years back, there was hardly any mobile phones. There were few, but now it's in masses. But what we see 10 years from now, there will be IoT devices all across. They will be talking to each other from human to human, machine to machine, machine to human. So those communications will take place in the 10 years, is what I see, right? And all of this is happening because there's a fundamental shift which is taking place. And today's summit, the next 2 hours, we are talking about the fundamental shifts, the shifts in terms of the speed of communication or the way we communicate. I think 5G, which is a lot more than 4G. I'm not a technical expert. We have got an extreme great keynote speaker today who will walk us there. But I think the point is the 5G is going to be a big changer in terms of how we communicate. Other big change which we feel is going to make a huge difference is the edge devices are becoming a lot more intelligent and a lot more powerful, and this is definitely going to create a huge impact. So you have a powerful cloud, you have a great communication channel, and you have the edge devices which are very powerful and very intelligent. So this is how the world would be changing, is what we see. And when all of this comes together, we'll have a fantastic few use cases to see. So today, what we are planning is we have presentations of some of these concepts to inspire you. We have panel discussion who will throw upon what kind of opportunities are there. And we are not just going to talk, we are going to show also some of the startups in the startup showcase, what problems they are solving, and in a small way, making a big difference in different kinds of industry. So this is what the journey would be for our next 2 hours. What I think you can grab all the experience the great speakers are supposed to say. By the way, I am Rakesh, former head of Tally, and I'm your host for the summit today. And a quick logistics announcement, right? Uh, Tweet, you use the hashtag NPC 2021 or India Productified. If you have questions, please put it into the Q&A. Your speakers will be muted, and all the sessions will be recorded and it will be available to you post the event.